Hi, my name is Juliana and welcome back to another basic cutting tutorial by Signature Market, sponsored by Fackelmann. Today, we will be using the Japanese Asiatic cleaver by Fackelmann to debone a whole chicken. So let's get started. So first, we will remove the thighs. We cut here on the skin, turn it, dislocate the whole leg from the chicken. Next, we'll cut the wings off. So how do we do that? So as you can see, there's a line here that indicates the joint is there. So what we do is we press in the knife. Same goes for this side, the line here. Next, we move on to the breast. So how we cut the breast is, at the middle of the chicken breast, you put a knife down, make a line, cut in until you feel a bone. And when you reach the bone, start to go to the side of it and follow the carcass. Do take note of the wishbone and cut along it as well. Here we have our tenderloin. So if you would prefer, you can straight away remove the skin from the chicken breast. For the carcass, you can either throw into a pot and make it into chicken stock or even soups. Next, we're going to debone the thighs. I'm going to switch from the Japanese Asiatic cleaver to a chef's knife. We will need to separate the bone from the meat. To do so, you can use this line of fats as an indicator. So cut down alongside the bone, following the line. Continue separating the meat from the bone. Next, we do the top. So you put your knife under the meat and on top of the bone and cut. Now, you'll have to go under. So you just put your knife in and then you push all the way out. And then you free the bone from the meat. Same thing here, just cut. Again, knife under the bone and above the meat, just cut through along. Next, we're going to use the back of the knife to hit the bone and break the bone, to detach the bone, the knuckle from the bone. So hold the bone and continue to cut away. You can choose whether to leave the knuckle on or you can also cut it off. Now we're done deboning the chicken and this is what you should get. One set of wings, one set of breast, one set of tenderloin, and also one set of boneless chicken thighs. That is all for this tutorial on how to debone a whole chicken, and I hope you like it. If you enjoyed the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to Signature Market's YouTube channel, like, share and comment on the video below. Till next time!